And we are back, baby. So in my old video, guys, I don't know if you guys seen that, but I've showed you how we installed a dynamic turn signal lights, which is these bad boys right here, and they're not on right now, but let me show you. They're pretty cool. Yeah, love them, love them, love them, love them. Boom. Yeah, these bad boys right there, gorgeous, I'm not gonna lie, beautiful lights. But for today, the plan is to install something even better. And you guys are thinking, what could be, so much better? Well, talking about these bad boys right here. Boom! Oh man, look at that. Look at that carbon fiber. Carbon fiber mirrors caps. I think I pronounced it right. If I'm not, just rolls me down below in the comments. Well, yeah, look at these bad boys. Ooh, man, I can stare these bad boys all day long. Oh yeah. Again, those are from China, AliExpress. You guys, I'm pretty sure you guys can get something like that from eBay as well if you guys want to do that. But yeah, these bad boys are pretty good. Can't wait, can't wait. Let's do this real quick. So let me show you how we're gonna pop the cap mirrors again. I don't know if you guys saw that, but let me show you real quick how this thing works. Okay guys, step number one is to pry the front a little bit, all the way around. Then the back, you guys can hear that popping sound. That's one of the clips being released. Then I'm gonna pull up, and totally forgot about, don't forget to push the mirror on the bottom way in, so it's not on your way. Boom, comes straight out just like that, one piece. And the mirror cap is in the mirror itself, it's still here. Okay, one down, one more to go. Okay, mirror number two, like I said, make sure that this bottom part is pushed all the way in, so it's not on your way. Same thing, let's pry the bottom first, all the way, then the back, and it comes straight out. Let's see that. Beautiful. Now let's change the caps. Okay guys, you see we have two T10s, one right here and then one up here. We need to take those two out, just like that, slowly but surely. One is out, take out the second one. It should be pretty easy, guys. Okay, second one is out. Now we should be able just to push this back, but in the same time push the clip. You know, there's two clips right next to those two screws. Push the clips out of the way and make a tension in the back, and the light should come out just like that. Come on, there you go. Take your time. So you guys can see, you guys need to push this light in as much as you guys can, and then this part right here is gonna come into it just like that, and then comes out. Okay, now this guy is gonna follow. Make sure that everything is good with your clips right here for the connector and everything. And get this guy there again. Tricky, like I said, just slowly get it in, guys. It'll go in. Take your time. Here we go. Get it all the way aligned. Seems like you need to go a little bit more in. There we go. You have this guy clipped, top guy clipped, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is like all unreal, guys. Now we can grab this screw, put it into the new spot, right in there. Come on. Don't over tight it, just hand tight, or the way how I like it, German tight. German tight. A little bit of tension, you know, push down and turn, push down and turn. It will slowly get into place. There you go, seems about right. Okay, one is done. Now let's do number two. Okay, push on this corner, push on the tap. This should come out. Get the light as much as you guys can to the back. Boom, comes out. Over here, get the light in. It's a tight fit, guys. Make sure you push the light all the way to the end. Okay, you guys can see right here, the line needs to be perfect. Clips are in, this clip is in, this clip seems like almost in. Okay, now the screws. Okay, hand tight, guys, hand tight. That's the most important tool here that you guys need to know. It needs to be a hand tight. Don't over tight it, because then you're gonna strip the plastic, and yep, you guys don't know what to do that. Get it slowly. Okay, hand tight again. Boom. And we have two gorgeous mirrors. Now let's put them in. Okay guys, and before I put the actual caps, I wanted to show you, this is the original ones, but I wanted to show you, what you guys need to watch for when you guys are snapping the cap back into place. This guy right here, you guys can see how, you got like a funnel type of a thing. That's because you guys can see the connector. The idea is just to get, slide into place like that, and then when you guys push it in and snap it into place, then you guys obviously can see the lights working. So that's the idea that you guys need to watch for when you guys are installing the caps. Make sure this, it's aligning with the connector here, just like that, before you guys snap the entire cap back into place. Okay guys, the moment has come. So once again, watch for the connector. I think it's in, but I don't know. For some reason it doesn't seem like it. Maybe I'm just tripping. Yeah, it's definitely in. Let's do number 2. Okay, again, number 2 coming right up. Take your time. Okay. Seems like that. And boom. Now let me show you. Okay guys, you guys ready? Ready to see this bad boy? Oh, you guys can see it already in the back. Right there. Boom! Just look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful cap. Woo-wee. So nice. So nice. Number 2. Beautiful guys. Beautiful. Well, there you go guys. We've done it again. Again and again and again. Can't believe. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this is another success. Man, I don't know what to do guys. I love these mirror caps. Carbon fiber mirror caps. I love them. Looks pretty good, especially with the smoked LED dynamic lights. That looks even more better. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay guys, well, once again, we've done it. So don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this. And the very most important thing here is if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'm pretty dumb, not gonna lie. So once again, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Well, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.